Hi everyone. So if you guys want to ask me a few questions, which is I already wrote it down in my notebook, and I will answer you guys. But nobody answered. Somebody asked me that, but then I wrote some about my squishy, so you guys can know me better. So let's just get started. The first question is, what is your favorite fruit squishy? Which is I have chose this. Donut squishy. It's super squishy and it looks really realistic for me, and it's super slow rising and it smells so good. And the back looks so cool and realistic. So I only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions, and yeah, and I will write it. I will put it down below if you guys interesting to do this squishy tag. I will call it this squishy question tag, squishy tag. And if you guys want to do this, please you guys can check it down below in the description box if you guys enjoy this or want to check it out and want to see. It's super squishy and slow rising. And the back is so squishy too. And then the second one is, what is your favorite squishy? My favorite squishy that I have chosen in this package is this turtle pineapple pie. It's super squishy. And all of these squishies, I will put some good squishies stored down below in the description box. And then the third one is what is your smallest squishy? Well, my smallest squishy, I got a lot of small squishies. Well, I have chosen the super small squishy, which is the steam bun. It's not even big as my paw, so that's why. Even my cat finger is bigger. It's the same big as my paw. I'm impressed with this. Give it another squish. And then the fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one is the stickiest squishy. I actually, this is so sticky, and I don't squish it a lot because you guys know how I love sticky squishies. Oh my gosh. Okay, just redo it. Oh my god. Okay, it's just and I will do giveaways. I will try to know how to do giveaways. And also, just saying that if I reach 35 subscribers before February, I will do a giveaway. You guys guess it right. And inside the giveaway, I will give you guys slime, squishy, and a special prize. Maybe it's a squishy or slime or a slime materials or a squishy materials. So squishy. And then it's the smelliest squishy. Which one is your smellest? Which one is your good smell one? I chose this Reynolds squishy because it smells like flour. It smells so sweet. It's not as sweet as you want to throw up, but it's super cool. And then it's, what is your favorite character squishy? Which is I chose Kumon. I love Kumon. So, yeah. Bye, guys.